implementation pa lang naging smooth na, naging patient kayo. At the same time, yung people ninyo very much approachable. Well, the first thing that we look for a solution provider is the continuity. So, during our evaluation, na-meet nyo yung requirements namin na even during pandemic, hindi nawala yung support ninyo. Most company naman yun ang kailangan yung continuity para after 5 years hindi naman nahang yung solutions namin. Kasi most of the company, bumili na sa business one, then after 2 years, 3 years, parang they treated as a frozen asset kasi nga, wala na yung support. Even the internal team, hindi na nila kayang i-maintain yung system. So, yun yung isa sa criteria na nakita namin sa direct. Yes, of course. Kasi implementation pa lang naging smooth na, naging patient kayo. At the same time, the people, yung people niyo, they're very much approachable and madaling kausap. Tsaka very casual. Kaya madaling ma-meet yung requirements namin, yung vision namin na madaling nila rin maintindihan the result that we wanted. So yun, isa yun. At the same time, siyempre, I think the company speaks for itself na marami na siyang client. Hindi nawawala yung client ninyo. At the same time, nag-grow kayo. So yun, yung nakita namin sa Direct.
At Direct, we make it easy.